English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 42.
Hello, Miguel speaking.
Hi, Miguel. It's Tanner from Finance.
Hi. Can I speak to Jan, please?
Speaking. How can I help you?
Hello, IT department.
Hi, I'm calling because my computer screen has frozen.
Can I ask who's calling, please?
Of course. It's Oliver Timms.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all, thanks. Goodbye.
I'd better be going.
Okay. Talk to you soon.
Can I speak to Jan, please? Hi, Carl. It's Katie from HR. Hi. I'm calling about the Wi-Fi. My client is here. I'd better be going. Can I ask who's calling, please? Is there anything else I can do for you? Hello, Olga speaking. No, thanks. That's all. Bye.
Hi, Sandra. It's Danny from sales.
Hi, Danny. How can I help?
I'm calling about the internet.
Yes, I know it's down. I've just reset the router. It should be working again in 10 minutes.
That's great. Thanks so much, Sandra.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thanks.
Okay, I'd better be going. Speak to you soon.
Thanks again. Talk to you soon.
I'd better be going. Goodbye. Hi. Can I speak to Jacob, please? Hello, Sophie. It's Ahmed from sales. Could I ask who's calling, please? Hi. Adam speaking. It's Sandy from IT. Hi. I'm calling because the elevator is stuck. Bye then. Speak to you soon. Can I ask who's calling, please?
The office number is 0078 555 251.
My extension is 3827.
You can contact me at 603-902-0691.
Zero. O. Naught. 44, 44, 44. 555, treble 5, triple 5, 555.
Hi, it's Sam. Can you call me back? My number's 0788 409 662. My number's area code 605 7700 930. Can you call Dylan at the office? His number's 030 69 99 0555. Yes, her number's 016 329 60042. Would you be able to call me back? I'm at the office. The number's 011 84 96 20 27. You can call me any time. My number's 077 00 9 00 844. I've got a number for Fatima. It's 030 69 69 04 47. If you want to call Miguel later, his number's 01632 9601 77.
If you want to arrange a meeting, you can contact me on 0078 555 251. Can you call Martin at the office? His number's 902 555 4349. You can call me on my cell phone anytime. My number's 03069 991 332. Hi, it's Myra. Can you call me back? My number's 07064 881 206. Would you be able to call me back? I'm at the office. My extension is 8762. If you want to contact Samuel later, his number's 01632 960 441. I've got a number for Hannah if you want to contact her. It's 321 554 8933.
Hello, IT department, Sven speaking.
Hi, Sven. It's Tara from marketing.
Oh, hi Tara. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thanks, but we're having a bit of trouble here.
Oh, how can I help?
We're working on our new marketing project for the summer shoe range and are trying to look at it on the company tablets and mobile devices. Unfortunately, we can't connect the devices to the office Wi-Fi. We've turned them off and on again.
Okay, I see. It's because you are in the old part of the building. You need to connect to a different network by entering a different Wi-Fi code. For your part of the building, it's GJ330XS.
Was that GJ330XF?
No, XS.
Oh, okay, thanks. The other problem is that we can't install the ChitSnap Talkie app to see how our logo looks in the marketing.
That's because only the IT department can install and delete apps. Email me the details of the app you want, and I will install it. I'll call you when they're ready.
Thank you. You've been a great help.
No problem. I'll call you when I've installed the apps. Bye.
Thanks again. Bye.
I have to hang up now, but I'll call you back tomorrow.
I'll just put you through to the IT department. This line is awful. I just got cut off. Sorry, I'm really busy. Can I get back to you in 10 minutes? Their receptionist never picks up the phone.
This line is terrible. I hope we don't get cut off. Anna, can I call you back later from the office? Susanna always takes ages to pick up the phone. Ethan, I will get back to you later with an answer. I'll put you through to Ivor now. If a customer is very rude, you can hang up. I'll find out the information and get back to you. I'm busy now, Valeria, but I'll call you back later. Can I get back to you later today? I'll put you through to Simone in sales. I will call you back later this afternoon. Sorry about that. We were just cut off.
Hang up. Get cut off. Pick up. Speak up. Call you back. Breaking up. Get back to them.
End of lesson 42.